Hello, space explorers. Welcome back to Discover with Momina. Today, we're diving into the extremes of our solar system. We'll explore the hottest and coldest planets, uncovering why some planets are scorching hot while others are freezing cold. Let's start this cosmic journey. First up, we have Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. Mercury has a pretty intense temperature range. During the day, it gets as hot as 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit. But at night, it cools down drastically to minus 180 degrees Celsius, minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Why does this happen? Mercury has almost no atmosphere to trap heat, so it heats up quickly during the day and cools just as fast at night. It's a planet of extremes. Next, let's talk about Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system. With an average temperature of 475 degrees Celsius, 900 degrees Fahrenheit, Venus is hotter than Mercury, even though it's farther from the Sun. The reason for this extreme heat is its thick atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide. This creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and raising the temperature to levels that could melt lead. Venus truly lives up to its nickname, the oven of the solar system. Now, let's look at Earth. Our planet has an average temperature of 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for supporting life. Thanks to our atmosphere, which helps balance the heat from the Sun, Earth maintains comfortable conditions for all living things. Earth is truly unique in its ability to sustain life. Next, we have Mars, the red planet. Mars has an average temperature of minus 60 degrees Celsius, or minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Why is it so cold? Mars has a thin atmosphere that doesn't trap heat well, combined with its distance from the Sun. As a result, it experiences chilly conditions with large temperature shifts between day and night. Let's now talk about Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. It's a gas giant with an average temperature of minus 108 degrees Celsius, or minus 162 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite its size, Jupiter is far from the Sun, and it doesn't hold much internal heat. The cold temperatures at its outer layers are caused by its distance from the Sun and the fact that it doesn't retain much heat from within. Next, we have Saturn, the majestic ringed planet. Saturn has an average temperature of minus 140 degrees Celsius, which is minus 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Like Jupiter, it's a gas giant located far from the Sun, making it very cold. Despite its cold temperatures, Saturn's rings are one of the most beautiful and unique features in our solar system. Now here's where things get really cold. Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system, with an average temperature of minus 224 degrees Celsius or minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit. The reason for this extreme cold is that Uranus doesn't generate much internal heat, unlike other planets. Despite being farther from the Sun, its lack of internal heat makes it the coldest planet in our cosmic neighborhood. Last but not least, we have Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune has an average temperature of minus 214 degrees Celsius, which is minus 353 degrees Fahrenheit. Similar to Uranus, Neptune is extremely cold, but it retains a little more internal heat, which makes it slightly warmer than Uranus. Neptune's deep blue color and intense winds make it a fascinating world. So, to recap, Venus holds the title of the hottest planet with a scorching temperature of 475 degrees Celsius, or 900 degrees Fahrenheit, due to its thick atmosphere which traps heat, and the coldest planet is Uranus, with a chilling temperature of minus 224 degrees Celsius, or minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit, due to its lack of internal heat. Venus and Uranus are on opposite ends of the temperature spectrum, each with their own unique reasons for their extreme climates. What do you think about these temperature extremes? Which planet's climate would you most want to visit, if possible? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing space content. Keep exploring the universe with Discover with Momina.